You know, one thing that I was taught early on is you don't need 1,000 different recipes when it comes to baking. Rather, have a few really good basic ones and make variations of those. I can't think of a better example of this than the buttery rich coffee cake that we're going to be making today. The key is to start by creaming some softened butter and sugar until it's fluffy. You don't want to rush this part. To that, we beat in some eggs, vanilla, baking powder and baking soda, and a bit of salt. Now, we slowly add some flour, alternated with milk, until the batter comes together. This is our basic coffee cake batter that's worth its weight in gold. After pouring half the batter into a baking pan, we sprinkle it with a combo of chocolate chips, walnuts, brown sugar, and some cinnamon. The remaining batter goes on top before we finish it with the rest of our to-die-for filling. Then we pop it in the oven. Pour yourself a cup of coffee, then sit back and enjoy the best basic coffee cake you've ever had. And I call it basic since you can easily change the filling by adding some dried fruit, a different variety of nuts, and on and on. To get the recipe for our Back to Basics coffee cake, all you have to do is visit our website. This recipe is a must-have. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a Back to Basics way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Delicious.